Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring basic prerequisites. Connect to Wi-Fi and charge the phone to at least 20%. Once connected, unlock the device and open the Settings app. Use the search bar to jump to specific sections. Make sure to sign into your main account if prompted, because preferences sync. Now tap the top-level category that matches your goal, network, display, or privacy, and get ready to change specific options. Once inside the chosen category, you change settings step by step. For display, slide brightness, schedule night mode, and toggle auto-rotate. These save battery and comfort. For network, switch Wi-Fi or mobile data, reorder saved networks, or configure VPN profiles to secure traffic. For privacy, review app permissions, restrict background data, and turn off unnecessary location access. Make deliberate choices. Changing one setting can affect battery, data usage, and app behavior. You finish by applying and verifying changes. Once done, restart any apps whose permissions you altered, or reboot the phone to ensure system settings take effect. Then test critical functions. Make a quick call, check notifications, and open apps that rely on changed permissions. If something misbehaves, undo the last change or consult the backup settings. As a troubleshooting tip, safe mode or a factory reset often resolves stubborn issues, but backup data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.